so I'm going to have to refilm the first part of this video. So we've been asked to factorise fully 12p plus 8. Okay, so what we do is we look at each number and we look to find the highest common factor. Okay, so we start off, highest common factor between 12 and 8 is 4, so that goes outside the bracket. We then check, is there any letters that are in all terms? In this case there's not, so there's not going to be any letter terms comes out. So we open our brackets, and then we say to ourselves, okay, what would I multiply 4 by to give me 12p? 3p. What would I multiply 4 by to give me 8? And of course the answer is 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now say most people, if they're going to go wrong in this question, they'll take out a factor of 2. And while 2 is a factor, it's not the highest common factor, so you won't have fully factorised it. Okay. So the second question here is, we've been asked to factorise 25 minus a squared. Now the only way to do this is for you to recognise these are two squares and you're finding the difference of them. Okay. So this is the difference of two squares, and the idea of the difference of two squares is if you have x squared minus y squared, two things squared, and you're finding the difference between them, you can factorise that as the sum and the difference of the square roots of each of them. So that's what the difference of two squares is. Now, the order does matter, okay? And this is where quite a few people will go wrong. You can't write this. The correct answer is 5 plus a, 5 minus a. Now, when I say order matters, what I mean is this here is a perfectly good answer as well. But what it would be a wrong answer is if you put the a first. That's wrong. In this question, that will give you a squared minus 25, the wrong way around for this. Okay, so in this question, you have to go square root of this 5 plus the square root of this a, square root of this 5, take away the square root of this a. So the order matters in that regard.